is me, Ella, and welcome to AA channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make a cake in a bowl. This one, guys, I prefer to cook in microwave oven for 1 minute. But because we don't have a microwave oven, so I use an oven. So this one, I use 280 degrees. And then after, I cook with the 15 minutes, guys. So if you have a microwave oven, it's okay also. Kailangan mo ng tipid tips. Ito, guys, kailangan mo lang ng flour, sugar, and then oil, and the baking powder, and then milk. May cake ka na. So, ayan. Tips ko na yan sa'yo, guys. So, hi guys. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a cake. A simple way of cake. All we need is flour, milk, sugar, oil, 1 spoon of powdered milk, and 1/2 of baking powder. So let's start. Now we put the 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 baking powder, and the oil. So we mixed. Ayan. Oh, I forgot, guys. We put the powdered milk. Ayan. So, we mix lang. Ayan. Mix natin. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Minimix ko na. Ayan. Ayan. So, after we put the milk. Ayan, mix lang natin siya, guys. Ayan. Mix natin siya, guys, hanggang maging fine siya. Wala yung mga, walang flour na buo-buo, ganun. So, mix lang natin siya ng i-mix. Ayan. Hanggang magiging fine. So, ayan na siya, guys. Fine na siya. Ayan. So, ilagay na natin siya sa oven. But if you have a microwave oven, guys, I prefer you use microwave oven. In 1 minute, guys, may cake na kayo. So, ito, sa oven naman, guys, kasi dito sa akin, I cook it with 15 minutes kasi oven ang gamit ko. Kaya 15 minutes na cook ako. Ayan, 15 minutes. Tapos yung fire ko is nasa 250, 60, 280. Ayan. So, ayan. Sa 280 ako. Tapos, 15 minutes siya, guys. Ayan, 15 minutes siya. Tapos, hintayin na natin, guys. And then, you will see after yung appearance niya kung paano siya naluto. Ganon. So, we're done. So, ito na yung cake natin, guys. Ito. Sarap niya, promise. Ayan. So, ito na yung cake natin, guys. Diluto ko siya ng about 20 minutes kasi siguro yung bowl ko medyo, siya, makapal. Kaya, hindi siya naano sa loob. But, it's fine. And, kung makikita nyo, guys, sa video, may ganito siya kasi nga, diba yung ginamit ko is oven lang, tapos naka 240 degrees ako. Syempre, yung dito sa labas talagang magba-brown siya, ganito. Kasi, may mga rin siya kanina ng mixture. So, eto na, guys, we're done about our bowl cake. So, I hope you like it, and nalaglag siya. So, I hope you like, and please keep on watching. There's a lot of videos I will upload. Cooking video, tutorial video, travel video after, guys. That's why after, if where I go, you're also there. So, you are on my heart because you're always there for me. So, thank you for watching.